The main thing on this, as I lift this one up, you know, this slid earlier because this was on wheels and I wasn't thinking about it, but it was okay, worked out. I'm hoping when this lifts up, that won't slide any. And then it'll just lift up and then it'll still be a little bit on the other side of this. And then I think as I keep pulling, it'll just tilt it over and I can let it down. Okay, like I saw earlier, I got it up straight. It was right here. I moved it by hand. Then I just by hand, because it's not, you know, it's not too heavy when you leaning it. Okay, I lowered it down some more. Oh. Lowered it down to there. Got a little bit of an angle. I think I might be able to slide her a little bit. About 100 pounds, what? I'm gonna keep sliding it back till this gets straight up and down. And you see, I did have, I put screws in this also just in case my sofa so wouldn't slide. Okay, I muscled it as much as I could, but see how much I'm there and how much I got hanging off there. So I'm gonna hook this little strap, slide it over a little bit. See what we got. I'm gonna let you video this. Let's see if this works. Take these off so I can get it, make sure it's lined up a little better. This is where my bricks are going to be, and over here. Now what I've got to do now is I'm going to slide this over, and this will roll in. This can go in more if I need to, but that's what I worked out. Okay, came out. I had 4 layers of this. Like 1 layer came off with that, which that's fine. My coin's still in there. Now what I'm proud of is, see here, that's my vermiculite, my perlite out to here, and the concrete starts. I'll have stuff coming all the way out